Hi guys, it's Got5 and I'm here with a brand new video, and this video is going to be another review, as I'm going to stop it soon, but I just need to do it for I'll probably do two or three more views, and then after it's done, complete that, I'll be back to normal videos like unboxing and probably gameplay. I want to start doing gaming videos, but if you like these type of videos, comment it down below and I'll probably do more if you like it. But yeah, I'm going to be seeing if the AirPods 2 is worth it in 2020. So wait just for it to focus. So this was released in the 20th of March 2019 and looked exactly the same as the first, which made lots of people think that the first were going to go down in price, which didn't happen. It also came with the same case, but you were able to pay £50 more to get a wireless charging case, which made it £200. And that's right in between the first AirPods and the AirPods Pro, so it was a middle spot. But with only wireless charging, it wasn't really worth it that much. So what was new about this was that it came with a new chip that wasn't in no other headphones or earphones, which was the H1 chip. Apparently this is twice as fast on actually connecting to a device, and you can have your phone one place and you'll be further away from it and it won't disconnect as quick. It also came with a function that was Hey Siri, which was basically when you say Hey Siri, comment down if Hey Siri, your Siri turned on. But basically it was when you said Hey Siri, it would able to hear it from the actual headphones here instead of your phone, which was, to be honest, it wasn't that significant of an increase as not a lot of people use Siri. Another thing that came with it was 50% more talk time. This is the big thing about it. So you'll be able to talk, you'll be able to use this 50% more than the original ones, and you're able to switch from devices twice as fast. With this released, Apple 5-6 months later released the brand new AirPods Pro, which were way better in had earbuds which were replaceable, or cushiony thing, I don't know what it's called. It also came with noise cancellation and everything else. So that's basically all that it is compared to the normal AirPods. I'll show you. So here, when you open it, I'll just take this out. You get this. It's normal, but I put a shield on this because usually dust will get stuck to this and it would be such a mess. If I took this off right now, there'd be so much dust underneath it. So I just bought this. It was pretty expensive. It was £8. That'll be around $10 there. But yeah, it's pretty expensive. Do not get any from Amazon, as I did get one before this in Amazon. This is the good brand, you can just see it here. But I did get one from Amazon, and whenever you click it, there'll be a small gap. It'll be this is all fully closed, which was one thing. I just took that off and put this one in instead. You have a dot for the lights, but in the wireless charging one, the light is over here, and this button is a little bit at the top. You even get this writing that would be able to tell you if it's real or not. It says designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. You also get these for the charger. So there's a power bank for it, and then you just get some serial number and stuff. You also get the headphones. You get a bunch of sensors for it to focus. So you get some sensors. So this is just sound, and so with this. One thing I didn't like about these is when you put it in your ear, if your ears weren't fully clean, some of it will get stuck here and stuff, and it will be a pain to take out. But actually, I'll make another video about this because this is just a video in itself. I'm going to be telling you guys how to clean it, but for that, just like this video so you support it. You got a sensor here. That sensor's for it to know if it's in your ear or not. So when you remove it from your ear, it will automatically stop playing music, and when you put it back in, it'll play music. This sensor, I believe this is for tap, so when you tap it, or it might be over here, I don't know. This is just a little microphone you can see in both of the ears. You get another one here, and yeah, you get, I don't know what these are for. The metal part here is for charging. You see the white lines there for the charging parts when you plug it in. And yeah, so one thing I didn't like was the fact that you get lots of earwax here, or even here, if you see any, sorry, but you can see a bit. I'll try to get it out, but I'll do that in the video. But yeah, you also get just some speakers. There's a lot of speakers, and it's very, for battery life, it was probably one of the best things, and I'm not gonna lie, it's one of my favorite purchases I've ever made, because it's just like amazing, like all around. It's like one of the best things, because you just have it in your ears. It's like no wires. It's very portable. It's like very small. Like, what can I compare it to? That's the thing. I'll get. Sorry about it. I'll get a charger. So this is a charger for my camera, and it's just a bit. Let me just focus it. So this is a charger, and you can just see it's a bit bigger than my charger. Width-wise, it's a lot bit thicker, but yeah, it's around the same size as this charger. This charger isn't even that big, but this is like very good. You can keep in skinny jeans, any type of jeans, or even trousers, and be very good. But one thing I don't like is these slip out of your pocket very fast. Like, I've not lost it, but I've like, it slipped out of my pocket when I've been going somewhere and I've been in my mum's car or something. And these, a lot of people be saying like, you have these in your ears and you don't realise they're in. Like, but to be honest, that never happens to me because you can physically feel it, but that's what other people say. And yeah, that's basically the review. You get a lightning port here. So now the question I'll be answering is it worth it in 2020 when we have 2 other AirPods released? One before this and one after. So I've seen reviews of the AirPods Pro, and some people are saying it's good, but a lot of people be saying it's not as good, like noise cancellation stuff. But to be honest, I think you should go for this. It's the safest route, as the AirPods Pro have the same chip. Was this and the one before it, the normal AirPods, both are the same price. So what I believe is, if you're like really into wireless charging, get a wireless charging one. If you're not, then just get this. And the AirPods Pro, they're for like, it's £250. That's the thing. Like, that's a lot of money compared to 150, and 150 is still quite a lot. So yeah, I'm saying your best bet is to go for these ones. Even in 2020, I've hardly seen anyone with the AirPods Pro. Like, I've legit seen no one with AirPods Pro. So yeah, so that's the video for you. I'm saying this is the best for the buck. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe, comment any other video ideas or anything, your opinions. Yeah, road to 2K. We're almost to 1.6K. So guys, just subscribe, and I'm out. Bye.